is indeed a massacre, and it needs more attention. It's devastating and unthinkable what's happening to the Christian community across the Middle Belt and the northern region of Nigeria. And I've been in the field with believers there and seen firsthand what is happening across that region, which again is hard to wrap our minds around, but it's happening every day. And again, we just had an attack over the past week on Palm Sunday as well too that was devastating.
So can you give me some examples of maybe what's happening on the ground?
Yeah, so there's a number of different Islamic extremist groups. It could be Boko Haram, Fulani militants who've been radicalized, Islamic State of West Africa Province, another kind of Al-Qaeda spinoff. And these are all kind of pushing through Christian communities in the northern region, attacking at night. They kind of go through the same protocol: attack, abduct, rape, forced marriages, take over communities, and force thousands of Christians that have been in those communities for decades to leave and be forced to go to IDP camps and find help and be basically put in a situation where they're completely vulnerable and left with nothing because of their faith in Jesus.
So, Brian, why is the media silent? This sounds like the most unimaginable atrocities being happening in real time, and no one seems to not only care but be reporting on it. I mean, it's literally radio silence. Why do you think that is?
Yeah, I think there's two reasons. And one is basically because the news media today rolls through with what people care about. And people are not clicking on those stories. People are not engaging with what's happening in Africa today. And they're so distant, it feels so distant. And the second part is like there's conflict. Many media outlets feel like, hey, this is not a religious conflict. It's a socioeconomic or